This video, I'll show you the full process to recreate websites just like this using Kimi agent, and all of the interactions here that you see were built just by me chatting with Kimi, not by designing or developing anything related with the code. You can learn how to do stuff like that. And not just that, I've made a lot more websites with Kimi. As you can see here, all of these are interactive websites that are scroll animated, that have beautiful typography, that do not look like AI. All of this is possible today without hiring a developer or designers, and I'm going to share with you all of the prompts that you need to build the exact result that look like this, all of the workflows, the tools, the tips that I'm using to build stuff like this, and to consistently go viral on Twitter, find clients just by following what I'm going to tell you. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Let's start by going to Pinterest and just looking for the background that we can animate to make our website 10 times better. So just find anything, copy the image, go to Nano Banana, and just say to it, expand this image into 16 by 9. So that's what I'm going to do. Just go here and say, let's expand this image to be 16 by 9. And just send that, and here's what you will receive. And here AI animated created our image. I already have my image of this cat that I'm going to now animate it. So let's go to VO3. I think you can do that same here. So I'm going to say animate this image. And it's going to do the job. I already have the video, and here's the video that I have. The animation of this cat drinking water. As you can see, I used VO. And now we can upload it to our website. So I'm going to go and host this video on any kind of website hosting platform. I'm going to use this one. So once you've hosted it, you'll have this link that we can now paste into Kimi. So let's go here and let's create. So let's go here now and let's create a new project. I'm going to click on new chat here, and I'm going to say build a simple hero section on a black background, and let's put this video as the background without any overlays on it. And let's place the link here. To make our website stand out, we need to add one more part, and that's very important. It's the fonts. The reason that these websites looks really clean and really modern is that they use very nice fonts, and for that, all you have to do is just go to Google and type top free Google fonts, because this will give you a lot of free fonts because they are connected to Google Fonts, and they also are very good. So just like find a good picture and select the fonts that you like from this picture. Don't try to go very deep into it. I like this one, instrumental serif, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to copy the name here, and I'm going to go back to our prompt, original prompt, and say, let's add this font, import it from Google Fonts, and apply it to our headline. And I'm going to paste that here, and I'm going to say align our headline into left bottom part of the screen, make it big, like 100 pixels big, and also it should be short, like 1 or 2 words max. And let's just send that and see what it comes back with. I'm going to also copy this, make sure that we're on the website, and let's just send that and see what it comes back with. So while it generates, you can see that Kimi using OK Computer and Kimi's computer, and we have here seeing that it goes to actual Google Fonts and connects everything for us. And here we have our hero section. As you can see, we have this beautifully made with this animation in the background. We can also check how it looks like on the mobile, and we can fix that. So let's do that. I'm going to say, make sure that the mobile is responsive. We should have a hamburger menu on mobile, and also the headline should fit well. So let's just send that and see what it comes back with. Here's our result. As you can see, it looks perfect on mobile as well. We can open the hamburger menu and we'll have this beautiful animation. So let's go back to our design and let's build the rest of the website. So for this, go to the link down in the description and you'll open this Google document where you'll have a prompt to build interactive menu that will have animations similar to what you see in the beginning of this video. So I'm just going to copy this and I'm just going to give this to our AI agent, and no changes needed. It's going to build everything and then we can customize it, add our images, animations, but let's wait and see what it comes back with. And this is the result that we received. As you can see, as I'm starting to scroll, I see this menu pop up open, and we can see all of the different images that can be updated very easily. And then we have this menu that also opens once we stop scrolling. And let's actually add some text that will be related to the images. So that's what I'm going to say. I'm going to say, when I start scrolling and the menu pop-up opens, I want to have some text on the right-hand side of all of the images that we have on the screen here. So as you can see, we have around 7 images. Let's have some text like the headline and this short description next to each image that will be tied to the animation of that image. So whenever the image scrolls down, the text scrolls down with it as well. So have it as the same component actually. And let's just send that and see what it comes back with. And let's see the results. So once I start scrolling, I can see that we have now one word description and some headline. So this way you can add actually words to your products, and we can scroll down to see the rest. And once the scroll ends, we can see that the words are disappearing. Now let's add some other elements to our website. So basically, I think we can add the footer. So let's say after the scroll ends, let's have a footer. So that's what I'm going to say. After we finish the scroll, basically once all of the animation appeared, let's have a little bit more scrolling. When we will show the footer, we'll have the same interesting layout, the same fonts, the same CSS style, animation style, but just display the footer at the bottom of the whole animation of the bottom of the whole page. And let's just send that and see what it comes back with. And here is our result. Let's preview that. So we scroll through all of the products that we have. And then we have footer. So this way you can ask AI to add the rest of the section. So maybe you need the testimonial section. You can just say, add a testimonial section in the same styles, and it will do exactly that, the same way that it did for footer. And now we can actually preview this website. So these are not just prototype or a Figma link. You can actually go to a live website that you can share with your client. It's already published on the web. And then we can just send it to the client, or what I like to do is post it on Twitter, and I'm going to share with you the tip that I use to go consistently viral. So there is one simple trick that you can use, and I'll share that. And also then I'll share with you how you can get the same result of this liquid glass, and with this beautiful animation in the background, you can achieve that. And I'm going to share with you the exact prompt to that. So keep watching to get that. And now let's actually post this on Twitter, and I'll share with you to go viral. So what you need to do is just record your screen. You can use any screen recording tool that you have, and just scroll through the website to make sure that people know that this is an actual live website, and to grab their attention right away. So don't stay static. Just move your mouse, move your screen a lot, and then just pause the video. And now I'm going to open Twitter, and I'm specifically going to do 2 things. First is keep it very short. So as you can see, if I go to my Twitter here, a lot of my posts are very minimalistic and I don't type much. So when I go here, you can see that it's pretty straightforward. So like just type the tools that you've used. So in our case, I'm going to say Kimi AI plus VO we use for the video generation, and we can say is good at creating animating websites. If you wanted to go and make something that will give you chances to go viral, you can also mention the company, and if your result is really, really good, most likely they will see it, and if it's like the next level quality, they will repost it. This is a free marketing for them. So just instead of just saying Kimi, just repost, mention them. It's not guaranteed, but at least they will see you. They may reach out to you to make some more custom work, because there is not a lot of people who are building these AI websites, and this is a free marketing for companies. You can also mention me saying thanks for the prompt, and I will, if I see this, I will also repost it if it's really good. So I every day just thanks for the prompt, and just post it. And if you mention enough companies, some of them will repost you, and this is how you go viral on Twitter. You're not going viral on Twitter just by posting 20 posts a day. And yeah, now let's actually build this website. So this is a really cool background. Unfortunately, AI is not at the moment yet where we can prompt it to have these running lines unless you're using some third-party tools. So we're going to create a video and then place it as the background, and I'll show you the full process on what tools to use to do that. So first, let's find the background itself. Just go to Pinterest and type something like dark tech background. And here we can see a lot of beautiful backgrounds that we can animate for our website. Not a problem if it's just 9:16, not 16:9 aspect ratio. Just use the same tip that I showed you in the beginning of the video where you can ask Nano Banana to expand it. So just find something that would fit your theme, something like this, and I'll show you how you can create a beautiful animation using that. So the same way, I just found the background that you can see here, and then I animated it using Seedens 2.0, not affiliated with this tool. Just go to Seedens 2.0, and for the prompt, it is very simple. AI is very smart at understanding the prompt. It is just looping animation, no camera movement, no extra elements to be added, no zoom in or zoom out. And just like this, it can create this beautiful animation that is perfectly looped, and it looks like actual 3GS or WebGL animation native to the web, but it is very easy to create that if you do not have any coding experience. You can create looping animation like these. So now we can just download this video. I'm just going to go and take the link directly, and let's go back to Kimi and say something like, create a hero section, and in the middle we're going to place some content like headline, description, and 2 buttons. The nav bar will be a pill-shaped nav bar, and use these liquid glass styles. I'm going to provide you liquid glass styles as well. Just go to the link down in the description and you will see this liquid glass prompt that you can get for free. And you can just copy that, and let's give it to our AI. I'm just going to paste it here, and I'm also going to say liquid glass, and I'm also just gonna say use this video as the background of our hero section. Do not add any overlay to it. The video should have 100% opacity, and let's just send that. For the font, I wanted to use Inter, so we're gonna say for the font let's use Inter. For the font let's use Inter, and let's just send that and see. We're gonna click on the website here. Let's just send it and see what it comes back with. And here is our hero section. Let's build the rest of the website using these styles. So all that I have to say is build the rest of the website using following styles, the same fonts, the same colors, the same liquid glass as we've used. Also, do not add any images, do not generate any images, just keep them black. I'm going to apply some videos later. And for the videos itself, I'm going to go to motion sites / backgrounds. Here you can get a lot of different AI generated videos for your background. So you can get also this one that you're seeing in this video, but I'm going to take this one. Let's take also this one and this one and this one. And I'm going to just send all of them to the AI so it knows what to build. Let's just paste this one and also this one. Finally, this one. And let's just send it and see what it comes back with. And here are the couple of versions that we've got. So I got this version where we have our videos as the background. We have dark colors that we can obviously update later. And also got this version where we have the scroll animation, and then we can see the text appearing like this. I didn't prompt it. Kimi did it all by itself. We have this hover effects. We have this scroll to explore section and a call to action from the first prompt that we can edit later. The only thing that I would like to improve here is the fonts. I don't really have a lot of fonts in my mind, so I can go to motion sites and just find the font that I like. So I think this looks pretty cool. We can just take that. I'm going to copy the prompt and I'm going to just paste it in here and just find Google Fonts, fling here, and let's just copy that. Go back to our website and I'm going to say update the fonts across the page to be this one. Also keep the font animation that we have. And for automation, you can see it says here, animated heading component. Let's just copy that and paste that also here. And let's just send that and see what it comes back with. And here is our result. Let's preview it, refresh the page again. And here we can see some animation. We can scroll down to see our next sections, why us, how it works, stats, some other sections, and the footer. And just like that, in just 15 minutes, we've built 2 interactive websites that agency would charge a lot of money for just by chatting with AI without having any design or development skills. If you like this video, leave it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the future for more awesome tutorials.